Hi, my name is John, and I just wanted to give a quick testimonial of how pleased I am with aaronsdoorservice.com. You know, I noticed the spring was broken on my garage door and the motor went out, and so I do what everybody does. I went to Google and to find out who the #1 person was, and guess what? Who came on top was aaronsdoorservice.com. I called them up, and within 15 minutes they arrived, fixed the problem, everything was done, the price was great, the service was phenomenal, and if you have any garage door problems, they do installations, you get free estimates. You need just to go to aaronsdoorservice.com. You're going to love it. I'm happy with it. I refer them to my friends and family, and I'm pretty sure you will too.